Hello, I am a trader. As you can see, today I'm preparing to import different goods into Mogadishu's port. I know that if I'm importing or exporting into Mogadishu's port or airport, I am required to complete an online customs declaration form or the SOMSAD. But I have a question.
Greetings, I am Abdi and she's Halima, and we are from Somali Customs. We are here to help make importing and exporting your goods easier. How can we help you today?
Greetings. In order to complete the SOMSAD online, I understand I am required to classify each of my goods with a commodity code. How do I do this?
You are correct. Each one of your goods here has its own separate commodity code. This code is part of the Harmonized System, or HS, a universal language for international trade. The Harmonized System is an organized system of goods descriptions and their classification code numbers. There are at least 6 numbers on the SOMSAD form for Somalia.
So each one of these different goods has its own commodity code.
Yes, that is correct. Each one of your goods has a different commodity code, and it is your responsibility to determine what that commodity code is.
How do I find out what the correct commodity code for each of my goods is?
It is important that you take time to identify and list all the commodity codes for your goods before you attempt to complete the SOMSAD form online. This means doing research beforehand. There are 3 easy ways you can find your commodities classification code.
The quickest way to do this is to speak to a knowledgeable clearing agent or broker who will be able to advise you on the codes because they are familiar with the HS. Secondly, you can consult the World Customs Organization's Harmonized Commodity Description and Coding System or the Somali Customs Tariff, which should be available at various import and export offices.
Thirdly, you can use a search engine on the internet to check what the HS commodity code for your goods might be. Make a note of the code so you can enter it into the SOMSAD later.
That seems simple. What about the commodity code for orange juice?
Ah, yes. This is important, so pay attention. Orange juice falls under the category of fruit juice. So, the HS heading code for fruit juices is 2009. But then you have different types of juice. For example, you have orange juice, apple juice, and tomato juice here.
And each one of these different types of commodity has a specific subheading.
For each of your goods, look up their heading and subheading code and make a note of it. If you are not sure, contact your broker or clearing agent who will be able to advise you. It could also be on the export documents. Later, when you are completing your SOMSAD online, you can easily refer to your commodity codes.
Thank you very much. I am now confident I know how to classify my goods on the SOMSAD using their commodity codes.
You are welcome. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries about this video, please contact Somali Customs at revenue directorate@mof.gov.so.